How to download photos and videos from Messenger to your computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you save the pictures or video from Messenger to your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Facebook on your PC or laptop. Alright, after you open the Facebook, you'll have to just click on the Messenger icon just at the top right corner. Alright, from the chat section, you'll have to just select the conversation from where you want to save the picture or video. Alright, after you open the conversation, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your, you'll have to just open that image or video we want to save. Alright, after you open the image, you'll got such interface. So from your, at the top right corner, you can easily find the options like download icon. So simply, you have to just click on the download icon over here. Alright, after you click on the download option, you can easily download that pictures on your computer. So after you tap on that, you can easily access that downloaded picture from Messenger. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.